Hello everyone and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best online digital marketing course that also comes with certificates. So if you are new to digital marketing or you probably have an interest in digital marketing and then you are looking for some of the courses that can put you through to give you all of the informations and knowledge that you need with respect to what digital marketing is all about, then this video is for you. So I want to encourage you to make sure that you watch this videos to the end because I'm going to be sharing with you a combination of both free and paid courses. Exactly. So even if you can't start right away with the paid courses, the free courses are there for you that you can just start watching right away and get all of the informations that you need. And don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the link to all of the videos that I'm going to be sharing with you with respect to what digital marketing is all about. All right, so before we get into the video proper, if you are new to this channel, PA Academy, or you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button. You see it at the lower side of the screen, probably at the lower right of your screen, or just somewhere below this video. Kindly click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So with that, now let's get into the video proper and let's look at some of the best online digital marketing courses that you can get started with right away. All right. So before we get started, let's just look at what digital marketing is. If you go on Google right now and you type the word, maybe define what is digital marketing or what is digital marketing, you'll come across quite a number of definitions. But out of all of these definitions, one of the definitions that really talk about what digital marketing is all about in a very short sentence is this particular definition. You can see it says digital marketing is the use of websites, apps, mobile device, social media, search engine, and other digital means to promote and sell products. Exactly. So that's a very simple definition of what digital marketing is. How you can make use of all of these websites, app, mobile devices, social media, search engine, to sell products. Exactly. So you might want to learn digital marketing either for personal purpose, maybe you have a business or you have a product that you are looking forward to sell, or maybe you want to learn digital marketing so that you can offer it as a service so that you can use that as a source of income. Exactly. So all of the courses I'm going to be sharing with you will definitely do justice to that. So now, without wasting time, now let's look at one of the first course that comes highly recommendable, and it's actually a free course. So you can see this is the course I'm talking about. It says basic concepts of digital marketing. Exactly. Because once I'm sharing some of these courses, I always make sure that I share it from the basic or the fundamental level. And when it comes to digital marketing, this particular course from Alison, which says the basic concept of digital marketing, is one that comes highly recommendable. And like I said, all of the courses I'm going to be recommending in this video, I'm going to be leaving a link to them in the description of this video. Okay. So it says this free online digital marketing course explain how to use the internet to attract customers and build your brand. Exactly. So if you are looking forward to attract customers to build your brand, and like I said, in digital marketing is either you want to learn digital marketing so that you can use all of the knowledge that you'll be learning for yourself, or maybe you want to use it to offer service, and you can also do both. Exactly. So it says this course discusses the important role played by digital marketing in attracting customers and driving growth. We discuss the role of digital marketing techniques such as search engine optimization and mobile marketing in business development. We describe the impact of social media and content marketing and establish the importance of pay-per-click and influencer method. So sign up to learn how to harness the internet to build your brand. So basically, we are making use of internet, to sell, to create lead, to make profits. Okay, so now let's look at some information about about this particular course. So it says in this course you learn these are the things that you are going to learn. So you can also, once you click here, you'll be able to see more about the course, describe how search engine optimization work, define digital marketing, and explain how you can build benefits from it. So once you come on this site, you can see everything that the course has to offer before you get started. So this is the course module. It actually has two modules with some with topics under it. So introduction to concept of digital marketing, introduction to digital advertising and marketing, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media marketing. So you can see all of the informations or all the things that you're going to be learning in this particular course. And then the module 2 is on the course assessment. That is, they're going to test your knowledge on everything that you've learned in module 1. Okay. So you can see some of the reviews from the courses. So even if you click here to check more reviews, you see that it has a good number of reviews. Okay. And then, so far we have about 41,280 learners already enrolled for this particular course. And it's a 3 to 4 hours course, which to me is, it's for 3 to 4 hours, that means it has a good number of, that's a long hours of information. And since it's an online course, you can study at your pace. Exactly. And for 3 to 4 hours also, depending on your time and your schedule, is something that you can also finish in a day. And once you are done with the course, you can always come back to watch the course as many times as possible. So this is the first course I'll be recommending, basic concept of digital marketing. And don't forget, the link to this particular course will be in the description of this video. Okay, so now let's look at the next one. The next one says Advanced Diploma in Mastering Allied Digital Marketing for Consultants. Exactly. So this is more like those that want to offer digital marketing as a service. Exactly. It says start your own digital marketing agency by applying these core skills in this free online course. Exactly. So like I mentioned earlier that you might want to learn digital marketing either because you want to use the knowledge acquired to promote your business or services, or you want to learn digital marketing so that you can be offering the services to other businesses. Exactly. So if you are looking forward to offering digital marketing to other businesses or services, then this particular course comes highly recommendable, and it's a free course. So you can see this is a 20 to 30 hours of learning. So you can see that it's a pretty long one, and then 26,000 learners already enrolled as at the time of making this video. So now let's look at the course module. So you can see it has, let's see how many in total. So about 15 modules. So that's to tell you, that's just to justify the 20 to 30 hours long. So let's just look at some of the course module randomly. So in the module 1, which is an introduction to digital marketing, so creating a mindset of success, the digital marketing agency business model, getting started with digital marketing agency, and introduction to digital marketing. So you can see this just giving you the foundation of what digital marketing is all about. Then the lead generation machine, how to gain clients. So this is also a very important thing that you need to know about digital marketing, because you might, so getting clients with Facebook ad, video audits, getting clients with Google ads, finding leads and email address. So these are all the things that you actually need to know when it comes to digital marketing. And for the fact that this course is more focused on those that want to create it, learn digital marketing as a business, that is creating a digital marketing agency. So this also comes highly recommendable. And I can also let me also add this, because when it comes to digital marketing, is a service I also offer. You might not need to actually know everything. You can just pick a particular service, one or two service under digital marketing, learn it properly, and then just focus on that one. And then as time goes on, you can also add other service based on maybe your client requirements or based on trends. Okay, I hope that makes sense to someone. If it does, let me know in the comment section below. All right, so this one says great course, well explained, plenty of examples. So if you come on this course now, I'm going to leave a link in the description, and then you can just click the view more reviews to see more reviews about this particular course. So that's the second course that I'll be recommending. So the first two courses are actually free. You can just come up and then just start watching right away. So once you're on this, you can once you click on start course now, and then boom, you just get started with this course. All right, so now let's look at the third one. So before we look at the third one, if you are finding value in the video so far, please let me know in the comment section below and give the video a thumbs up. So now let's look at the third one. The third one is a course from Udemy. So It says the complete digital marketing guide. So this is a 27 in one course. So it talks about digital marketing, social media, ChatGPT, prompt engineering, Google Ads, Facebook, SEO, WordPress, Instagram, YouTube. Exactly. So these are some of the things that this particular course is going to be talking about. And when it comes to digital marketing, this course happens to be one of the bestseller under the said topic. And as at the time of doing this video, the course is updated. So you can see last updated November 2024, and this is the same time that I'm making this video. So this a course that this is not one of those courses that that it was just created and then left behind on Udemy. So now let's look at what you learn. It says this course will teach you how to build a digital marketing strategy, find your own audience, how to drive traffic, how to analyze website data, how to create converting Facebook ads, how to build a community. So you also learn about mastering ChatGPT with prompt engineering. You also learn how to create a website, even though like here they're promising you how to create a website in 24 hours. But remember that you also need to practice. Exactly. So how to build an email list, create converting Google Ads, create a content strategy plan, and organic Facebook marketing. Exactly. So if you don't want to do the paid Facebook marketing, how can you do the organic Facebook marketing? So all of this is what this course is promising they're going to put you through. And if you look at this course, it has about 38,000 ratings, which is pretty high, and over 200,000 students are already enrolled for this course. So this is 73 hours on-demand video, and it has 111 downloadable resource. So the course itself is very loaded. So let's look at the course content. So it has about 32 sections. So these are all the course content: the introduction, the market research, website building, search engine optimization, email marketing, Google Analytics. So once you're on this page and then you scroll down, you're going to see all of this. Exactly. I'm going to leave a link to this course in the description of this video. So it's also going to put you through Google Ads. So for this Google Ads alone is about 7 hours. Facebook ads about 4 hours. So a lot about Facebook. You see it here. So Quora marketing, Twitter marketing, LinkedIn marketing, Pinterest marketing. It's making sure it's touched some of those important social media platforms. Then freelance. So let's see. So freelance on Upwork. Introduction, how to get approved. So you can see that's when you want to get started as a digital marketing consultant, or you want to start your digital marketing agency and you want to go through the freelance route. So this course also has some important information. And then also on WordPress. So you are going to learn WordPress also in this course. So set up website title, set up home page. So, and one thing I also need to add is, as you are watching this course, please kindly take out time to practice some of these things, because these are skills that you actually need to practice. So don't just watch the video and just assume that you already know everything. Make sure you follow all of the steps that was being highlighted in the video. So you can just come here and just look at everything, but the course comes highly recommendable. If you look at the reviews, that's an overall review of 4.6, 4.6 out of 5, which is a great one. And for the price, like this particular one is different from the first two, which is totally free. But this comes at the rate of $14.99 instead of the regular price of $109. So this price might change depending on when you are watching this, or when you actually click on the link. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description, because the price is okay. Maybe, I think the price changes depending on whatever promotion that they are doing. So you can see it is currently at 86% off. So whatever time you are looking at, you are watching the video, the price might be different, but the course comes highly recommendable. So this is the third course I'll be recommending for digital marketing. So, and then now let's look at the last one, because we're actually going to be looking at 4. All right, so this is the last one I'm going to be mentioning, a digital marketing course. So it says Educational Digital Marketing course is created by top industry experts to help you gain expertise in various digital marketing aspects, such as keyword planning, SEO, search engine marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and Google Analytics. So this is another great course under digital marketing. And here is the curriculum for this course. So once you come on this page, you can also download it to check out what the course curriculum looks like. So the topics, so this is about digital marketing and evolution of digital marketing, creating customer personas, core concept of digital marketing lexicon and metrics. So this is more like the course content for this. And this comes with a certificate, so you can see. So this is certification that you will also get at the end of this course. And you find this certification helpful depending on what you intend to do next after acquiring some of this knowledge on digital marketing. Like the other 3 courses I also showed you, they also come with their own certification. Is that clear? So all of them, all the 4 courses I've shared with you on digital marketing comes with their own certification. So once this also, to get started with this one, so once you're on this page, you can just come and you see the option to enroll now. So once you enroll, then you can also get started with the course. So these are the reviews for this particular course. You can see that it has a good number of reviews. I've actually taken my time to sort out some of these courses before sharing it with you. So don't worry, it's a good selection. So that's it, guys, for the 4 courses that I actually want to share with you under digital marketing. And like I said, all of the links to these courses, I'm going to leave them in the description of this video. So there's no need for you to waste any other time. If you are really interested in getting started with digital marketing, learning what digital marketing is all about, either you are learning it for yourself or you want to take it as a side also, or as a means to to also make money online, or you want to start a digital marketing agency, all of these 4 courses that I recommend to you is a good one to start with. And you can go ahead and just watch all the 4 courses. One thing is that you are going to learn something new and something unique from each of those videos. So thank you very much for watching. If you find value in the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, please click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. And with that, guys, I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.